everybody and welcome to this video. Now it has been a hot minute but we are back and before we start we're going to have a nice cup of tea. This mug is actually huge, it's the perfect size for me. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all of the lovely new homeware bits that I got and I'm really excited to show you everything because they are just so nice. We went to IKEA, I got a couple bits from Etsy, something from eBay and Amazon. I'm going to show you first what I bought from IKEA. So I'm going to start with the smaller bits first. So I got these really lovely mugs. I just love the style of these because they're quite rustic, is that the word? They kind of match my bowls and plates that I bought from Sainsbury's actually. But how nice are these? I will put the price and the description because I can never pronounce the IKEA descriptions just there so you can see for yourself. And yeah, I think these are really good quality. I haven't had a drink from them yet but I really can't wait to. So yeah, I got 2 of these because it's really hard to just buy one, right? Next I picked up these, well I say picked up, I ordered and then collected these glass mugs. I just think these would be really nice for when I want like a ginger tea or just something more herbal. One where you can leave the tea bag in there. I just think they're really nice size and I think they look good. I've got 2 of these as well. I think they do different sizes but I went for this size. I think it's a good size. And then next I picked up this really cute candle. So it's actually in the scent strawberry, I believe. Oh, it smells really good. But yeah, these were so affordable. They're like £1 something. And they got a really nice design. And I just thought the colours were, I just like pastel-y neutral colours. And I thought these would be really nice around Easter time. So I got a yellow one, which is, I think it's vanilla and strawberry. Really pretty. They also do other colours. I think they do blue, green and clear or something like that, but I just got 2. Moving on to plant pots, I got this one. I really love it because I just prefer everything really simple and plain and minimalistic, and it's just nice and white. It's got a very simple design that goes around the edge, and again so cheap, and it feels really good quality as well. I got a couple of these, so I mainly bought these because I have a artificial grass plant in the bathroom and at the moment it's just sitting in the black plastic pot and I really needed something to put that in. So this is the actual perfect size for it and I'm excited to get that in there, so it's going to look so much nicer. I got 2 of these. I don't actually know why I bought 2. I don't have anything to put in this yet. So moving on to artificial plants, which I absolutely love from IKEA. I think they're really, really nice. I got this fake eucalyptus plant. I went for this one because I think the colour is really nice, like a nice light sage green. I've got the other ones from IKEA that I got like a year and a bit ago. They're like a darker green, but I actually prefer these ones now, but they didn't have these at the time. Yes, they look really cute. And actually the white vases are made for this size. I'll just show you what they look like. So pretty. So yeah, this does fit perfectly in here, but the reason I bought this plant was to fit in a little shelf that I got that's in my kitchen, and the plant pot doesn't quite fit on the shelf. So I'm just going to keep it in the black pot like that because you can't really see it too much anyway. Honestly, if I could fill my whole home up with plants, I would. To be fair, I'm guessing there. Oh, I forgot to show you another plant pot. Let me just get that out for you. This one. So this is the exact same design as the smaller ones, but this is a bigger version, as you can see. I think it's 23 centimeters, but again, I'll write that down there. So I got this because I wanted a bigger like cheese plant, I think they're called, for the living room, which I did find. I'm going to show you in a sec. And it fits perfectly, so yeah, I'm going to show you that. This is really heavy and amazing value. I just can't get over how good it is. So let me show you the plant. might have to move back because this was actually bigger than I expected because we collected them. Can you see that from here? Maybe if I bring it down. Look how big this is. So I was super happy when I saw this because I really thought it was going to be a bit smaller. And then I was like, I actually prefer it this size. It's so much nicer. And I do think IKEA's artificial plants do look quite realistic. And I could spend half the price on a real one, but it just won't last. I will literally kill it. So these are a lot better value for me because I know they're going to last for a long time. And yeah, with the plant pot, I'll show you how good it fits. There you go. Perfect. And then moving on to one of my favourite things that I got was this basket. I've literally been wanting a basket for so long. Not even for clothes, but like to put a plant in it. I'm literally obsessed with plants. Like, ask anyone. But yeah, this is nice, and I bought it for a plant that I also bought from IKEA, and I will show you that now. Ta-da! Okay, I need to. This is not going to fit on the camera, but I'm going to try and show you. Ooh, here it is. You see that? Huge. It's taller than me. Give you a close-up. How nice is this plant? This was £50, which I know does sound quite expensive, but it is really big. And also, we did have a palm plant and we couldn't look after it. Like, the leaves just kept going brown even though we did water it like the correct amount. So I just thought, I can pay £50, this is gonna last for years. It's really tall, it looks real, like it looks so good. And that's it, I don't have to worry about it. But that's why I got the basket. So it actually fits in here perfectly, and it will be really difficult to show you this, but I'll try. That's all you can see. I have one more thing to show you from IKEA, is this beautiful basket. How nice is that? So it's bamboo. I will use this as an actual clothes basket, probably a washing basket, but it's so big. I think it's such a good size. This was £25, which again, I felt like it was a bit expensive, but when I had it in my hands, I was like, you can tell why it's £25. It's really good quality. The detail is so nice, and it's just exactly my style. I love bamboo, like scandi vibes, tropical vibes is a bit of me. So really happy that I bought this, and yeah, I'm excited to get everything out in place now. So let's move on to Etsy. So I got a really nice couple of bits from Etsy. So I've seen those bubble candles like all over the internet, and I just think they're so nice because they're really different. So I got mine from, so I got this candle from Wiltshire Waxworks. It was £8, and I'm going to show it to you now. It's so cute. I just think they're so quirky. I'm actually just going to use this for the coffee table, just as a little decorative piece. I'm never going to burn it because it's just too nice. Really happy with the candle. The delivery was so fast. I think I got it like 2 days after, so I definitely recommend buying from her shop if you wanted one of these. But they're just so nice. And then I also got some Pampers. So this is just like dried grass basically, but this is all the rage. And I just love them. Like when they arrive, they're quite skinny, like quite thin when they arrive, and all you need to do is hair dry them on a low setting, and then once they're all fluffed out, just put a bit of hairspray on them so they stay fluffy like this. and apparently they last for years, which is quite surprising. But I love these because I have got quite a lot of green in the flat now, which is a great thing, but I thought it would be nice just to add a little bit of a different colour. And again, I do like the sort of beigey creamy white colours too, so I felt like this would look really good in the kitchen. And I'll show you the vase that I popped them in. This one, which is from the range, I haven't bought this recently, I got this like probably over a year ago, no, about a year ago, but I think they are still in stock. But this is really nice, so I pop these in here. I just think honestly it's so beautiful, perfect. I'm so happy. The seller on Etsy for these is Desert Dreams Flowers, and it was $26.99 for 4 stems. So the minimum I think you can buy is 4 stems, then it goes up, but I honestly think 4 stems was enough. I didn't want it to be too much, just wanted it to be quite minimal. She also does a lot of different kind of pampers as well, so there's a lot to choose from. But I'm super happy, really quick delivery as well. So moving on to eBay, I only got one thing, and it's actually something I've already got, but I just felt like I needed a new one. So I got a new bath rack. I just felt like the other one, I literally had it for quite a long time and it just needed refreshing. So yeah, this is really, really nice. It's pretty much exactly the same as the other one. Again, nice quality, that's pretty much it. But I just think it really tidies up the bathroom, and I can just put my shampoo, conditioner, body wash bottles on here really nicely, and then I put that grass plant here, another plant there, and it just looks really cute and tidy, I suppose. And last but not least, we're moving on to Amazon. I got these really, really cute Le Creuset mugs. They're so sweet. So these are espresso mugs, and I didn't buy these to drink from because I don't even drink espresso. I literally got these to put on the little white shelf that I was talking about earlier that's in my kitchen, just as decorative pieces. They're so cute. I just love the colours as well. This is in the colour Volcanic, I believe. But it's a nice warm colour, and they are just adorable. Adorable. Okay, so it looks like we have come to the end of my haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've got some inspiration of some nice, lovely, tropical things that you can buy for your home. I'm so happy with everything that I've bought. Honestly, just love it all, and I can't wait to now just put it all in its place and film a new updated flat tour for you. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!